VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing. On this morning update here, you can see the U.S. dollar is continuing to remain bullish right now. It had a nice consolidation yesterday after its run up, and you can see it tagged in the shorter time frames, the 100-day moving average and the hour time frame, and you can see what it's trying to do now is we've hit this exact double top locally here, right? Then we came back up and hit it again. You can see this is a very bullish consolidation right there. And then we hit this area, and now we're consolidating. And if you can break above this right here with some volume, or you can't really see the volume in this because it doesn't show you, but if you can break above that level right there, see there's the old, look at that, we touched it to a T on the cross here, shows you the touch. If we can break above that, you can remain bullish, right? But what we got to watch out for is to see if this does a classic where we have this big top here. See over here last time, we were in a similar fashion, similar consolidation, big consolidation. But if you notice here last time, you breached the old high right there. Then you had this nice bullish consolidation down to the 200-day and the 3-hour. You tagged it and then continued to the upside. This time, you matched it exactly. So what could happen here is you consolidate here and get rejected and start to trade back down for a much longer consolidation in the overall bull market and the dollar index, right? So that's what we're watching out for in the dollar index. But you can see the cryptos are up and down right now because it had a big fall down yesterday, but we're doing the classic consolidation here in Bitcoin, and you can see we're in this big falling rising wedge or rising channel, which is a bear flag, right? And we're attempting to break down out of this bear flag, and we're in this extended consolidation now, and we have that targeted move of the overall bear flag up here, which is way down here at our technical target of 13,336. You can see we have that right there where we made that price prediction when the price of Bitcoin was at 63,336 and rising. And then this local miniature consolidation here on a break up, what you got to do again is you got to get above and back into this channel to get back bullish. But if you get rejected by these three moving averages or this uptrending upper resistance now, your technical target on a breakdown would be trading back down towards the top part of this orange support zone and this old all-time high, and then most likely coming all the way down here. So that's what we're watching out for in the Bitcoin price this morning. If we look at the Dogecoin price, you can see we're bearish. We nailed this reversal at the top up here, and now what we're looking at, if you can't get above this major resistance that you're on right now, sitting here, if we zoom that in and we'll change the color so they're not all the same, we can see that right there at about the 0.0686 3/4 cent. If you can't get back on top of this, fight the moving averages to get bullish, right? You're going to get bearish and you're going to get rejected, and you're likely to come down here to an underneath swing low that we had on this major dump consolidation down there at about 4 cents. You can see that right there, the 4 cent level, right? And this is where you would trade back down to if you get rejected and can't get back over top of that major upper resistance that you're sitting just below right now. Your initial underneath target would be 0.049. The XRP price, you can see we're still sitting down here. And if you can't get the same, this is the same as the Doge. You got to get back up to this 37 cents and get topside to get bullish, right? But the bearish consolidation, and if you get rejected, you're going to trade back down towards this 29.30 cents local regional supply zone. And then that would be where you have a make or break it, because if you can't hold that level, there's a pretty big fall coming all the way down to that 21 cent level or the top part of the last line of defense to the shithouse in orange, right? And then if we swing along, and we're just going to do a quick update on some coins, AGIX, you can see after that huge run up, the big wick right there, and then the big fall, AGIX did come back down towards that lower support. We were targeting either a back test right here on the falling channel or the bottom part of this, what we'll make, we got to change this color. We'll make this a light blue, would be where there could be a local bounce to try to work your way back up into something like this. But if you got rejected anywhere in here, you're likely to have to come back and back test this falling channel, and that's what we're watching out for. But you got your initial upper resistance right here, and then you got your major upper resistance, either a double top here, but I don't think you're going to that right now, or you're going to get back down towards lower support and start running on a back test there. And then a quick update on dappt, continues to fall down like we thought, and it's going to be down here towards our range, and it's still in this range. If you wanted to play the current pattern, this is where you buy for a pump, right here. This is in the slot. If you're playing a current pattern like you've had back here to continue over here, this is where you want to buy it and try to swing trade this up into upper resistance in the red resistance area. So it's down in an area. If you're willing to play the current pattern and dappt, that this is where you want to go, right? But be forewarned, if you break down, you're likely to come to a 0.00316. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Go look at my daily update on Twitter.